Okay. Diksha,
Ma'am,
what is the answer for seventh one? Sorry? Third one. How? Diksha. Diksha. Okay, Atharva. Answer. Seventh one.
ma'am, which one?
Seven.
Seventh one, ma'am. Ma'am, A1, ma'am.
A is even not possible. In A whole, one S is even given. In the paper, when it
Ma'am,
is
can I?
folded, so half part. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Ma'am, B, ma'am, B, ma'am, B.
B is also wrong. So it should be connect like this, connected with the paper fold, like a circle. This side also circle. Then only if you open the page, this half line will convert into dot dot
Ma'am,
dot.
C1.
S.
Ma'am, C1.
This much I
Ma'am,
told.
can I tell?
Wait.
Ma'am, can I?
See, this side of S will connect with the dot and it form the circle. This side also. Now, when we open the paper, the circle, this half of the line will convert into the dot dot dot. So the correct answer is which one? Now tell me, Atharva.
Ma'am, C1.
What I said, it will turn into circle, right? By adding the lines, and when you open the paper, that line will convert into the which one?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, for ma'am, D1, ma'am. Option D.
Yes, option D.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Yoji, tell me the answer for eighth one. Eighth one.
Ma'am, C1.
Correct. C1. Pranita,
Yes, ma'am.
answer for ninth one.
Ma'am, third.
Third. Correct. Okay, everyone do question number 10
Ma'am,
and
I was doing last question. Ma'am, ninth one should be first one, no, ma'am.
no, ninth one should be third one only. Your voice is breaking. I think you are having network issue. How first one? If you fold the paper, the triangle should go into downward. Okay, the triangle should go into this side. Then only if you open the paper, see this part, right hand part will come to the left hand part, right? Not only the same part, like right hand will be there. That's why third will be the correct answer. Okay, now everyone do question number 10 and 11. 10 and 11.
Ma'am, can you scroll a little down?
1 minute. Yeah, do.
Ma'am was rating last option of ninth one, ma'am. Can
Atharva,
you
already
scroll?
I'm giving you so much of time.
Ma'am, last option, ma'am.
No. Okay, write fast. Who have unmute to them? Sorry, who have unmute. Unmute yourself. If I'll mute you, mute yourself. I'll mute you, I'll not give the permission to unmute. Still okay. Pranita, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself.
Ma'am, mine was off only.
No. Sorry? Vidyasagar, your voice is breaking. I'm not able to understand.
Ma'am, finish. You can scroll down, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, which question we should write?
10 and 11. Yes, Vidyasagar.
10th and 11th.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should draw the 4 options also, no, ma'am?
Yes, you have to draw.
Ma'am, we should write 10th and 11th.
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. How many you have done? 10 and 11?
4, ma'am.
6. Rest 4, complete fast.
Ma'am, can you scroll it up?
Wait. 1 minute. Now you can see.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Okay. Mohit,
Ma'am,
what should be the answer for 10th one?
ma'am, 4th one.
Okay, but how? In 4th one, there is no arrow also. How it is possible? How many arrows are there? First we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two arrows is attached. 4, 5 and 6. In this 2, 4, only 4. These two are not arrow, Mohit. And how many arrows are there? 6. So which is the correct answer?
Ma'am, second one.
Second one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
third one.
Yes, third one, 6 arrows are there.
Ma'am, I mistakenly told second one.
Shaurya, what is the answer for 11th one?
But for 11th one, second one.
Second one. Why, Shaurya?
Ma'am, why? Because the letter will be opposite. Ma'am, that will become ulta, ma'am.
Okay. And the dot
And dot will go on the middle
in
of that
semicircle.
of yes, ma'am.
Okay, correct.
Thank you.
Now, everyone do 12 and 13. Sorry, 1 minute.
Ma'am, we should do 12th and 13th.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you scroll little bit up? I can't see 13th one. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, what is the answer for 11th one?
Option 2.
Ma'am, in 13th one, the option second and fourth are similar, ma'am. They both are same.
No. No, one line is gone inside of the box.
Yeah.
No.
In second one, the line is not there in the box. Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Over, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is unmute.
Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is
I
muted.
told three participants, Atharva, Dishani, and Dheeraj has not done. Too fast.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I go for restroom?
Okay, but come fast.
Ma'am, I will come in 2 minutes, ma'am.
Your time starts now.
Ma'am, what we should do?
Question number 12 and 13. I told you, right?
I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I came.
Okay. Dishani, Dheeraj, done? Question number 12 and 13.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Atharva.
Ma'am, question number 30.
Go fast. Okay, Dishani, tell me the answer for 12th one.
Ma'am, option D. Fourth one.
Okay, correct. Atharva, 13.
Ma'am, for 13th one, it is C. Third one, ma'am.
Third one. No.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, what is the answer?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, second one.
Surely the second one is also wrong.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, please. Can I say, ma'am?
Can I say?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Wait,
ma'am, can I
Dheeraj.
say?
No,
Ma'am,
Dheeraj.
ma'am.
Dheeraj, what is the answer?
D1.
Yes, D1 is the correct answer. Atharva, done. I'll change the slide.
Ma'am, what is answer of 12th one?
Fourth, last option.
Okay.
Wow.